Hey guys, get a chance to win some free money when you follow these instructions. And make sure you be the first commenter in all my videos to type Grind Family. And once I get to 6,000 subscribers, you could be the lucky winner. So please click on the link below. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to get free Amazon gift cards for 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. So I think it'll be in your best interest to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now guys, before I show you these 3 ways, which will be 3 sites, I just want to say please follow the instructions that you saw at the beginning of this video if you want to get a chance to win some free money. Just click on that link in the description and in the comments, and you'll be eligible for this free money. Help me get to 6,000 subscribers, follow those instructions, and 2 of you guys can be the winner of some free money. Alright guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because all 3 of these sites will allow you to get free Amazon gift cards. So if you want to get as many gift cards as you can, please watch this all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the first site and show you how to get these gift cards. Okay guys, I'm at the first site, and the name of this site is Tellwut. So I'm not going to go in too much detail on these sites. Since I got 3 of them, I'm just going to tell you what type of sites they are and tell you what they offer and just go to the next one. So I know you guys want me to go in more detail on these videos, but when I have more than one site, I want to hurry up and get through these sites so the video won't be too long. But in the next videos, when I have like one site to discuss or just one little method, I'll definitely go in more detail. So let's go ahead and go through this. Okay, so again, this is Tellwut. So you go to tellwut.com, and it is a survey site. So you just give you just answer some surveys and you get paid some points, and you could turn those points in or redeem those points in for Amazon gift card and also some other type of gift cards. So as I scroll down here, these are the rewards that you get. So with 4,000 points, you get $10 Amazon gift card. And if you just don't want Amazon, you can get Home Depot, Subway, and here's another Amazon gift card you can get that's $25. And all you need is 10,000 points. I know it sounds like it's a lot of points, but when you answer these surveys, you're going to accumulate a lot of points real fast. So they got all different type of gift cards on here if you just don't want Amazon. Again, I'm going to go through this pretty fast, so that's all I'm going to say about this site. Yeah, I'm just letting you know what type of site this is and what type of rewards they offer. So if you want to learn more about this site, go to tellwut.com. Now let me go to the second site. Okay guys, I'm at the second site, and the name of this site is Product Report Card. Again, this site right here is a survey site. So these are all these sites are survey sites, but they do offer free Amazon gift cards for these simple little tasks that you're going to be doing, which is answering surveys. So this is free to join. You just fill out this information right here. So it says here, influence products and service decisions by sharing your opinion. So you're going to be sharing your opinion about products. And right here it just shows you how it works. It takes only 5 minutes to sign up, and you start answering surveys. You get paid in points, and boom, you get paid real quick with Amazon gift cards. And here are some people just giving their confession or their testimony about this site. And again, as you can see, receive cash via popular gift cards. So that's all I'm gonna say about this site. I told you it's gonna be pretty quick. So if you want to go ahead and start on this site, go to reportcard.com. Now let me go to the last site. Okay, I'm at the last site. Again, this is another survey type of site, and the name of this site is Harris Poll Online. So once you come here, just click right here where it says rewards, and it just tells you a little bit more about this site, which again, you're just going to be participating in some surveys. When you answer these surveys, you're going to accumulate some rewards, points that you can turn in for rewards. And again, the rewards are these right down here, not just Amazon. Also, they have iTunes and Starbucks. So you just give your feedback or answer these surveys, and you get points, turn these in, and you get reward, and you redeem those points into rewards. That's all. It's just simple, just like the other ones. So guys, that's all. That's all three of them. So if you want to go ahead and start right now. Go to all three of these websites, sign up, start doing the little surveys, and get these gift cards. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about any of these sites. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help people to make money online and become their own boss. It's time. It's 2021, guys. Time to become your own boss. Stop messing around. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Look out for a number that will pop up on the screen. Then I would know. That's how I know that you guys watched this video all the way to the very end. So type that number down in the comments below. And if you were the first person to comment on this video, make sure you put Grind Family in the comments below. All right, guys, that's it. Road to 6,000. We're coming January 15th. It's right around the corner. Let's get there. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day. Get your grind.